Shawna Calvert is a top real estate agent in Apollo Beach, Florida, known for 5-star service, local expertise, and a heart for helping families relocate. Specializing in waterfront homes, she brings integrity, care, and results to every move. #Make the Move 5415 Limelight Drive, Brighton. Floorplan by Cardel Homes. 4 beds, 2 baths, 2,010 square feet, built in 2022, screened Lanai, Waterset. This move-in ready Brighton Floorplan by Cardel Homes is packed with over $55,000 in thoughtful upgrades and located in the heart of Waterset, one of Apollo Beach's most desirable communities. Built in 2022, this 4-bedroom, one currently being used as an office, 2-bathroom home offers a light-filled, open-concept layout with smart design and energy-efficient features throughout, including a smart thermostat and high-impact all-block construction rated up to 130 miles per hour wind. Inside, the home features upgraded plank-style tile flooring and 9 feet 4 inches ceilings with tray accents. The spacious kitchen includes a large center island, quartz countertops, designer tile backsplash, 42 inches cabinets with soft close drawers and crown molding, stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. The layout flows into the great room and dining area, ideal for entertaining or everyday living. A set of oversized sliders leads to the screened lanai, perfect for outdoor relaxation and prepped with pool hookups if you'd like to build your dream pool later on. The primary suite sits quietly at the rear of the home and features a spacious walk-in closet, dual vanities with quartz countertops, a large walk-in shower, and direct access to the laundry room for added convenience. 3 additional bedrooms sit toward the front of the home, along with a full bath and a large laundry room with nearby built-in drop zone. Located in Flood Zone X, no flood insurance required, this home sits on high ground and offers peace of mind, as well as a low-maintenance yard. Waterset offers unmatched amenities, 4 pools including a lagoon-style pool with water slides, 2 fitness centers, tennis and pickleball courts, basketball, sand volleyball, splash pad, multiple parks and playgrounds, scenic trails, 2 clubhouses, and even its own cafe and dog park. The New York Innovation Academy, Pre-K-8 magnet school, and charter, Montessori, and daycare options are all within the neighborhood. Why wait for a builder?